Tameside Metropolitan Borough Council provides municipal services to a community in the Greater Manchester area in the United Kingdom. These services range from schools, libraries and leisure services, highways, refuge and recycling, social services, planning permissions, local tax collections for the council and health services. We have staff in over 20 different locations, but our print services can also be in unmanned locations such as libraries where pay-to-print services are offered. We have approximately 110 multifunctional devices and another 10 network printers. We've been using print management solutions for some time now, for several years in fact, and we're very much aware of what print management solutions can bring to us. Our print management contract with Equitrack was up for renewal, so we decided to explore other options. We reviewed 4 solutions for the software, and after seeing YSoft SafeQ, we realised that it could do a lot more and was more robust than Equitrack. Since using SafeQ for the past 2.5 years, it's been secure, robust, and we could immediately use the reporting templates. However, once we started using the customised reporting, we found that it gave us far more information, realising that Equitrack was extremely restrictive in its reporting tool. While reducing costs is a top priority for us, demand is that we may have to move devices to various different locations. We also share our devices with the Clinical Commissioning Group and the National Health Service, who have their own Active Directory. With Equitrack, every time we had an IP change or had to change anything in the Active Directory, we had to raise an IT ticket. This puts us at the mercy of IT's time and negatively impacted on the ability to quickly adapt to the user's needs and requirements. With SafeQ, I don't have to rely on IT to make any changes that I require. The administrative dashboard allows me to make any changes to the devices to user requirements quickly and efficiently. This frees me up to work on more strategic and demanding initiatives. When we need to access multiple Active Directories, it's not uncommon for people to have the same name. We can append a digit to one of the duplicates, and SafeQ easily identifies each individual user. This is extremely important to us, as each user can then track their costs, and all users can track their costs via our internal portal. The reporting from SafeQ flows directly into our portal for each user, and this is important for billing for each of our departments. In one word, flexibility. I can manage our print environment without any IT intervention. SafeQ's reporting shows all our directors the costs for their staff and also integrates into our accounting system and our payroll system. It really makes our staff much more environmentally friendly and makes them aware, do they really need to print. The reports also show printing and scanning in one report, and this is something Equitrack just couldn't do. Since using SafeQ, we've seen a decrease in printing, we've seen a drop in colour printing, and also SafeQ, we can make rules where we set the machines to print black and white and also duplex, therefore saving paper and reducing our costs. To further reduce costs, we are looking at SafeQ's mobile print service, so our staff can use the mobiles and tablet devices. With these savings, we will now be able to invest in other document management solutions. Thanks to YSoft SafeQ and its partners, implementation and training ran smoothly. Tameside users love it. SafeQ runs like a dream.